Hi everyone, Designchickee here. I'm back with some exciting news. It feels like it was just a few months ago that I hit 500 subscribers. I mean, seriously, I thought it was a big deal when I got to 100 subscribers. So now imagine how I feel. Over the weekend, my channel pushed past 1,000 subscribers. Seriously, who are you people? I mean, seriously, I love you people. Honestly, I never thought this would happen. I mean, never. So I wanted to send you all a very big internet hug for subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. You've shared my videos over 800 times. That's amazing. And I want to especially thank all my early subscribers because you've been true cheerleaders for me, encouraging me to do more. You know who you are. And to all you new subscribers, I'm so glad you're on board. I can't wait to hear from all of you, so make sure you send me a note and I'll be sure to respond. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you 1,000 times over. With that being said, I think it's time for another design Q&A video. So if you have a design dilemma, you can leave your questions here in the comments below, or you can send them to me via Twitter at Designchickee. Twitter is actually really great because you can attach your photos to the questions too. That's always helpful for me to get a sense of what you're dealing with. Help me help you. Then I'll gather them all up and answer your Qs in an upcoming video. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's Q&A, so I got your A's to your Q's. Also, a quick update on the Row House Renovation series. It's been a few months since the last video. You can catch up on the series here. It's a full-blown renovation of a 100-year-old row house. So the update is the renovation is complete. Well, sort of. For all intents and purposes, it's complete and I've moved in. Notice the new digs? So I'll need to update you for real in another row house renovation episode, and of course the final walkthrough. So that is coming very soon, I promise. So there you have it. I'm beyond excited to have you all following along. I can't wait to share more of what I love, which is all things interior design with all of you, and I can't wait to help you with your real life design dilemmas. So get your questions in and I'll see you very soon.